Hey there fellows, what's up and welcome to this new video. So in today's video we're going to be seeing whether someone can hack your cash app with just your name or email. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, as always I will recommend you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the notification bell to never miss any trending content from us. So guys, without any further ado, we start right after the intro. Alright fellas, we're back into our video. So I'm gonna open the Cash App mobile app real quick. Just give it some time to load up. Okay, so yeah, it's Cash App. So as we all know, Cash App is a peer-to-peer payment service that lets users typically send and receive money safely and conveniently, and of course Cash App advises users to send or to do business only with people they know and they trust. So why do they say this? They say this because Cash App is a popular, in fact it is one of the payment giants in the market. So scammers all around the world are aware of this and they use new schemes to trick users into scam. So there are many Cash App scams that can actually lead into an account fraud, and most of the time without knowing we usually get hacked without even like getting time to actually anticipate the hack. So coming to our question, our principal question, can someone hack your Cash App? Okay, yeah, typically it is very difficult for someone to hack your Cash App with just your name. Think of it, that person will have just your name and your name is not typically required to log into the Cash App. When you open your Cash App, or when you're new to the platform, or when you just install Cash App on a new phone, you'll be asked to provide your phone number or your email address plus your password. And after providing that, if you've enabled two-step verification, Cash App will require you to verify the second step in order to prove that you are the one that is actually you're the owner of the account. So after proving this, or after verifying this two-step verification, Cash App is actually going to let you log into your account, and before carrying out any transaction, you will of course need your Cash App pin to verify that transaction. So without your Cash App pin, someone can't do anything with your account. So if someone has just your Cash App name, it's going to be typically difficult for that person to hack into your account. So okay, so we already know someone can't easily hack your Cash App with just your name, but what's the next question? Yeah, the next question is, can someone actually hack your Cash App with your phone number? Yeah, that's some kind of tricky question, and for that one, yeah, it is kind of possible for someone to hack into your Cash App with just your phone number. Let me tell you how. Cash App advises people not to deal with people they don't know. Why? Because when you share your phone number that you use on Cash App with someone, the person can use a toll-free number or some sort of number, call you, posing themselves as Cash App representative and tricking you into scams. So they will call you and tell you that there's an emergency with your account, you actually need to send some details to verify you are the one. They might ask your login credentials and more of that. Think of it, before even looking to send those credentials, will the Cash App that has access to the database ask you your credentials? I don't think so. Instead, they'll look into your account and see what's actually wrong with the account and then report it to you through different channels of communication. And they typically do this within the Cash App, because the Cash App customer support that is integrated into the Cash App mobile app. So you should be very careful while sharing your Cash App phone number with people, and most of the time we usually get scammed by people we typically love and trust, which is why it is always recommended to share just your Cash App tag for payment. That is why Cash App created this feature for all of our convenience and security. So you should be very careful when it comes to sharing your phone number with others. And as for your email, can someone hack your Cash App with your email? That is very well possible. Of course, if you share your email with someone that actually is a scammer, or someone that you don't know or trust, or new, or someone you just met through Cash App, you just exchange contact online and exchange the cash tags and came into contact through Cash App, then suddenly the person starts asking you for your email to send you money. Think of it. Will that person not ask for your hashtag directly? Then why do they ask for your email? You should be asking yourself these questions. So if they continue insisting that they want to send you money, you just need to give them your cash app tag, nothing more or nothing less. If they don't want to send the payment through cash app tag, then there's something fishy behind this. You should start asking yourself questions. That person isn't who he says he is. So you should be very cautious when sending your cash app email or when sharing your cash app email with somebody. The person can actually use your email. If let's say you give your email to the person, they can actually send you mails posing themselves as cash app representatives and asking you to verify your cash app account or to take quick action in order to get your cash app verified or secured. And when it comes to emails are not always as easy as they come. So through these emails you find links, and within these links are incorporated fishy sites. Also, what are these fishy sites? Fishy sites are sites intended to collect your credentials or your information through an HTTP request method known as the GET method. So once you enter your cash app details through that fishy website, it is going directly into the back end of the creator or the owner of the site, and this one will have access to your account, including your cash app email, of course, your password, and also your PIN if they require it through any of the fields that is going to be available through that fishy website. So guys, as a quick recap, your cash app account can't be hacked with just the phone number. Of course, it can be hacked if you share your email and your phone number alongside this one, because the scammer or the fraudster might use your email to send you fishy emails, or your phone number to send you fishy texts that include links that are actually going to ask for more information as regarding your account in order for them to gain access to your account without any fraudulent action. And then once they gain access to your account, they will be free to do whatsoever thing they feel like doing. So guys, we've come to the end of our video, and if you found it helpful, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so, share with friends, and don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. So guys, I'll catch you on the next one.